Plaintiff Tamika Foster suing the defendants for vandalizing her car. Tamika says the defendant's daughter has repeatedly harassed and threatened her since she started dating her boyfriend. And then the defendants and their daughter started a physical altercation with Tamika and broke her car windows. Defendants Agnes Jones and Samuel Johnson say Tamika started the fight with their daughter, and they deny doing any damage to Tamika's vehicle.
Tamika Foster is suing Agnes Jones and Samuel Johnson for car damages. Tamika, tell me why you're here.
Okay, Your Honor, Shayna, the defendant's daughter, has a baby with my boyfriend. And ever since day one, since we started talking, she just been harassing me, just being, like, I guess she's jealous or something. Like, she'll make...
That's a lie,
She's
Your
made
Honor.
phone calls.
Stand up. Talk to me. You have a baby, Shayna, with Tamika's boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay, so her boyfriend is your baby's daddy.
I don't have any problem with them two being together. I really don't care. And Tamika...
Your Honor, she's called my phone like 40 times, making
Can you prove
And she has also called mine too.
Good. Okay, I got the drift. You can sit down now, Shayna. Do you have proof that she's called your phone?
Raquel,
Okay, who are you in this drama?
I'm the boyfriend's mother.
You're the boyfriend's mother.
Right.
So you're Shanna's baby's grandmother.
Right.
And who are you two?
I'm the other grandmother, and this is my...
You're Shanna's mom and dad.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So why are we here?
because
She bothers you, you bother her. That I got.
I don't call her phone. She's been calling my phone like 40
She does
times.
call my phone.
Do you have proof of it, hun?
No, our phone records, they don't show. Like, we have crickets, and where we're from in Rochester, they don't have if you have to pay $25.
Rochester, New York?
Yes.
We like New York, everybody. I'm from New York. All right. You're not impressed. All right, go ahead, Tamika.
Besides all the phone calls and stuff like that, Shayna's been threatening to have other people call and stuff like that. And one day in October, I was at Raquel's house braiding her daughter hair, and Rajane was over there, and I guess Shayna was coming over there to pick her up. And
Wait a minute, the baby's at Raquel's house?
Yes.
Okay. What's the baby's name?
Rajane.
Go ahead. Rajane is with Raquel.
Okay, in October, Shayna was coming to pick up Rajane. I was already over at the house that she was coming to pick her up at, but I had no idea she was coming over there. I was leaving out the house. I was going through another door. Shayna was coming through the other door. And when
You didn't think she was coming over? You didn't?
No, because they daughters calling. No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
And when I called, it popped up and she knew I
had no idea Shayna was coming over there. I was leaving out one door.
Agnes.
Sorry, Yana.
All right. Now, talk to me, Tamika.
Shayna was coming in the other door, so I confronted her about all the phone calls and the threats that she made or whatever. And then she was laughing or whatever, like it was funny. And then I hit her first because
after I turned to
self-defense, I hit her in self-defense because of all the harassment and stuff that she was saying, that when she see me first, what she was going to do. So I hit her because I had no idea what she was going to do when she saw me. Then we started fighting. Raquel came in and she grabbed me off of Shayna. And then Sam over here came in and he grabs me instead of like grab me. He's like sitting there holding me so Shayna could hit me. And then
That's not true.
And then I got loose from him. And then Shayna was saying something about her. She said her phone was missing. And then Agnes, big fat self, come in talk about some
honey, I'm a
talk
diva.
about some
Jealous.
Why you want to fight my daughter?
You're
or you
so
want to fight my?
jealous.
Why would I be
You're
jealous?
ugly.
You're
That's
ugly.
why.
You're
I'm
ugly.
big and beautiful, honey.
Okay.
And you're not too small yourself.
Sure you
You're
are.
not too small yourself either.
What's wrong with a big woman?
You're not too small yourself either, sweetheart.
Who's talking to you?
Don't matter.
Who's talking to you?
Don't matter.
Who's
You're
talking to
jealous.
you?
That's why you're
Jealous of what? What would I be jealous of? What would I be jealous of?
Sorry, Yana.
Okay. I have been very entertained. I like that you like yourself. I think it's wonderful. All right. What happens next?
And then after the fight over, Agnes comes in and she's like, "Oh, you want to fight my daughter? You want to fight my daughter?" And then she punches me in the face. And then I hit her back.
She punched you in the face? All right.
Yeah.
Who's got pictures? Who's got hospital records? Who's got police reports? Anybody?
I have a police report.
Good. Let's see it. I don't like this case. We've got too much harassment, too much history, and no evidence.
Yes, in the picture.
Tamika Foster. I can't read this. All right, why are you suing for car damages? Let's get to it.
They kept asking where my car was at. So I'm like, why did you want to know where my car at? And then next thing I know, Agnes is on the phone. She's calling a whole bunch of people. And then she says she's waiting outside for the police. So she's in and out the house. And then next thing you know, Raquel says, oh, your windows have just been busted or whatever like that. And then Agnes disappears.
Did you tell her the windows were busted?
Yeah, because when I was in my living room, I heard like this knocking, crashing sound. So I went through my back door. When I went through my back door and looked, I saw, initially I just saw the driver's window busted out. And I went in and told her, I saw somebody bust your windows out.
Let me ask you a question. From the time that Shayna walks in, there's a fight between Tamika and Shayna, to the time that you hear the busting, damaging going on outside, how long is it?
Probably like about 10 minutes or so.
And it was after Agnes left to go call the police?
Yes, after.
Okay.
And then once the crashing sounds was over, Sam came in. I said, what was that noise outside? And he did his shoulders like that. So I went through the back door, and I initially thought it was just her driver's window. But when I had the flashlight, because it was dark on the side of the driveway.
Do you have pictures of the damage?
That's when I saw all the windows,
hand it up,
her
sit down.
top cut off.
What's your version? Let's hear it.
Oh, Your Honor, on the night of October 12th, my daughter, Shayna, asked me and my boyfriend Sam to take over to pick
Hold
her.
on, Agnes. Okay. What's this tape here? What's that?
That was tape that was on the side of the
That was already there?
Yeah.
Already.
So the windows on both sides, the passenger and the driver?
and the two side mirrors, and the top was cut off. And the radio and the inside was
You mean
stolen.
the top on the back is cut off?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the radio was stolen out, and the signal and the windshield wiper things and the inside was bent like this.
This is serious. So this is where the radio was?
Yes.
So you take your daughter Shanna to pick up your granddaughter.
Yes, Your Honor. Me and Sam stayed in the vehicle while Shayna went in to grab the baby. A few minutes later, Raquel, which is the other grandmother, came outside to say, come in, they're in there fighting. Sam went in before me. By the time I got in there, I saw my daughter, blood running from her mouth. And I was very, upset. And in her face, I said, you're wrong for that. And it looked like I thought she was going to hit me, so I shoved her.
Who has been arrested here?
Well, I haven't been arrested, but I got a letter from Rochester City Court said that it was a warrant for my arrest. So I turned myself in the next day.
For assault?
Yes.
Can I see that?
Yes.
Is there a pending charge right now, Agnes?
The case has actually been, I don't know what language they use for courts, but it's just been, I got an order of protection to stay away from her until next year.
Do you have what's called an ACD?
Yes, that's what it is.
An ACD is an adjournment and contemplation of dismissal. It means that because it's your first offense, I assume it was?
Yes, it was.
That the court is saying we're going to give you 6 months to a year. You stay away from the victim in this case,
Yes.
and if you do, we will, at the end of a year, dismiss your case. All right, Monroe County. Agnes, order of protection. Tamika, it is proof positive that you don't have any prior convictions because I know the DA in Rochester. All right. Okay, good. All right, now, Raquel, stand up for a second. What's the deal between you and Agnes?
We both Roger and grandmother.
Any bad blood here?
Yes, Your Honor, let me explain my relationship with Raquel. Earlier this year, myself and Shayna were called to the hospital because of my alleged sexual abuse for my granddaughter, which were proven to be untrue. Since that day, me and Raquel have not really got along. I mean, you try to be cordial, but it's too much.
Whoa.
Okay,
Did
now
you
if
make
you
the
want to go
complaint?
there, Agnes, if you want to go there, let's talk about how.
Raquel, look at me.
Okay.
What happened?
My 2-year-old granddaughter, last January, was telling me something about her butt was hurting and the man in her butt. So you right that I took her to the emergency room to be checked out.
Did you accuse anyone, Raquel?
I didn't accuse anyone, but I took her to
That's
get
enough.
checked.
That's enough. Raquel, do not look at her. Agnes.
Yes.
If her granddaughter tells her that her butt hurts and that she's talking about a man in relation to that, why wouldn't any grandmother worth her soul call Child
thank you,
Protective
Your Honor.
Services?
That's what I told her. I said, you did the right thing. I would have done the
Darn
same thing.
tootin' she did.
That wasn't what the disagreement was. I said, you're right. It's my granddaughter too. I love her. Yes, please take her. But we didn't know. After it was proven that she was not abused, Shayna decided to take her home. That's when Raquel flipped the script. She turned it to somebody else and started talking about threatening taking us to court for custody.
That's right, because I said from
Agnes,
the bottom
let me
line,
tell you
if you
something.
let my son, who
Raquel,
was 14 years old.
Raquel, I'm going to take your side. Sit down.
Okay.
Any grandmother who thinks that her granddaughter has a problem and then tries to take custody to protect that grandchild is totally, as far as I'm concerned, doing the right thing.
I
all right,
never
so
disagreed,
why
Your
would you
Honor.
harbor any bad feelings at all unless you're trying to protect someone?
No, that's the thing, Your Honor. I didn't disagree with her. I told her that night, yes,
So
I
then
would've
why
did
are
the
you
right
two
thing.
not getting along?
Because they have taken me to court for daycare expenses for the baby.
This is all about a baby. I want you and her to be able to get along. She did what she thought was right.
And I agree with
and
that,
you did
Your
what
Honor.
you thought was right. And at the end of the day, we're all trying to protect the baby.
Yes.
The damages are for $1,694.67, correct?
Yes.
All right. Did you vandalize the car?
No.
Did your wife vandalize the car?
No.
Who vandalized the car?
We don't have.
When you got there that day, if the top of the car is cut and the windows are smashed out, did you see broken glass in the driveway and then turn around and say, gee, what happened to your car, by the way? You got what you deserved. Look at me.
We didn't see a car there.
It was a car parked behind her car.
That was my mother car, Shayna. Stop it.
Raquel, say it again.
Shayna know that was my mother green car parked
But
behind.
I didn't say I didn't know who car it was. I just said it was a car
All
parked
right.
behind her
If
car.
I'm attacking her, how can I be outside destroying
Your Honor,
her
she was
property
in
at the
and out
same
the
time?
house.
It's impossible.
'Cause I'm trying to make sure-
Most of the time, try to snatch her cell phone from her because she had my daughter.
And she tried to snatch
I can't
my
be in two
keys
places
out of
at
my
one
hand.
time, Your
Quiet,
Honor.
Tamika.
Your Honor, I can't be in two places. Sam was trying
Sure
to
you
keep
can.
me.
You can deck her and then go outside and cut her
Yeah,
car
like
up.
some type of superwoman or something. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm big
well,
and stuff
you're
like
the
that, but
one-
I can't be in two places at one time.
That
To me.
wasn't
You know we didn't do that.
Agnes,
Why was Shayna saying, oh, she got a red Jeep?
All right, that's it. Let me explain something to you. But for this baby, I would just walk out of here because you deserve it. At the end of the day, you're the baby's mother. You're not the baby's mother. Your car was damaged. And by the way, had you sued her for assault, I would have given you the money. She admitted she decked your daughter. She said your daughter walked in, she was laughing in her face, and she decked her because she thought she was going to. I confronted her. She was laughing. I hit her first. Are you kidding? Why are you not suing her? Huh? Stand up here. Why are you not suing her?
I didn't know that I would be able to.
Well, here's the deal. I'm going to make believe there's a complaint in front of me, and I'm going to allow you to sue her. All right? You're going to sue her for $1,000 for pain and suffering. I'm giving it to you. I'm giving you your $1,600 for your car because I think that they probably ended up damaging it because they are so crazy about all of this. At the end of the day, you're going to get $694. And you know what? You don't even deserve that. So ordered.